Hi everyone. Today in this sessions we are going to discuss about Delphi approach in software development for optimizing project management efficiency. What is Delphi method or Delphi approach? Delphi approach is a structured forecasting or decisions making techniques that often used to gather and synthesize expert opinions on complex or uncertain tasks. And the introductions in this we can see in these presentations is we can explore how the Delphi approach can enhance project management efficiency in software development, and we'll discuss the benefits of this approach and how it can be implemented. Okay, let's see those things. What is Delphi approach? It is a structured communication techniques used to gather expert opinions and make informed decisions. It involves multiple rounds of anonymous feedbacks. Multiple rounds of anonymous feedback is helpful to develop proper software. It helps to improve productivity. Delphi approach can be used to improve project management efficiency by leveraging the collective expertise of team members. And benefits of Delphi approach. Implementing the Delphi approach in software development offers several benefits. We can see what are those benefits. Knowledge sharing. Knowledge sharing among team members promotes collaborative decision making, reduce bias and groupthink, and enhance accuracy in project estimates. By embracing the Delphi approach, organizations can achieve higher project management efficiency and improve overall project outcomes. And the technical forecasting Delphi approach used to predict the adaptation and impact of emerging technologies. And we can see the key steps of the Delphi approach. To embrace the Delphi approach in software development, follow those key steps. First steps is identify experts. Select individuals with relevant expertise. Some people's expertise in development, some people expertise in testing, some people's expertise in requirement gathering. Those people's first step is identifying those experts. Formulate questions. Prefer clear and concise questions for expert feedback. If we conduct a meeting or the review, we will first formulate a clear and concise questions for expert feedback and collect anonymous responses. We can create those questions and you get back the solutions to those questions. Then collect anonymous response, gather individual opinions without bias. Iterate and converge. Facilitate multiple rounds of feedbacks and reach a consensus. Iterate and converge means multiple rounds will be conducted and those feedbacks can be taken as a record. And analyze and implement. Analyze the result and implement agreed upon the decisions. And these are the key points. And implementing the Delphi approach. To successfully implementing the Delphi approach in software development, consider the following best practices. The first is establish clear objectives. Clear objectives. How to establish a clear objectives? Using SMART method. Using SMART method, you can get ready with the clear objectives. Define the purpose and expected outcomes. Ensure anonymity. Encourage honest and unbiased feedback by keeping response anonymous. Facilitate effective communications. Use a structured platform to facilitate communication and collaborations. Manage feedback efficiently and monitor the progress. Monitor progress is one of the most important approach in software development lifecycle also, and even project management, because track the progress in the Delphi process and make necessary adjustments. If we need any adjustment during the development phase, you can do that adjustments appropriately to that task. And we will see the case study Delphi approach in actions. Recent years software development project Delphi approach was implemented to optimize project management efficiency. To optimize project management efficiency, most of the organizations, even the TCS and Wipro also use a Delphi approach to enhance the project management efficiencies. These teams of experts went through multiple rounds of anonymous feedback to reach a consensus on critical decisions. The Delphi approach helped streamline communication, improve decision making, and ultimately lead to successful completion of the project within the estimated time frame and the estimated cost efficiency. Even everything is be smoothly going through Delphi approach in actions. And we can see the challenges and mitigations. While implementing the Delphi approach, certain challenges may arise. They include constraints, lack of participants, or difficulty in reaching consensus. To mitigate this challenge, crucial to establish clear timelines, encourage active participants, and facilitate open discussions. Additionally, having a skilled facilitator and help manage conflict and guide the process effectively. For example, we can use the Delphi approach in healthcare policies. Gather expert opinions on healthcare policies, treatment protocols, or likelihood of disease outbreaks. Experts provide input on potential strategies for improving healthcare delivery. These are all the challenges and mitigations. The challenges is gather expert opinions is also the one of the challenges, and reaching the constraints is one of the challenges. How do we mitigate those challenges? Expert provides input on potential strategies for improving healthcare delivery. These are the challenges and mitigations. And successful applications of the Delphi approach. What are the successful approach means? Requirement gathering and prioritizing project requirements. Requirement in software development lifecycle, requirement gathering is the first step to in software development lifecycle. Requirement gathering is most important thing in software lifecycle. Using business analysts gather the information and prioritize project requirements. Risk assessment, identifying and mitigating potential risk. What are the risks faced during the project and how to mitigate those risks, even if lack of technologies, how do we mitigate, how to be avoid those impact. That are the risk assessment. Estimation project timelines and resource requirements, cost and everything so on. And decision making informed decisions based on expert opinions. By leveraging on Delphi approach, organization can optimize project management efficiency across different software development process. And the next thing we can see the key takeaways. In summary, Delphi approach in software development can significantly enhance project management efficiency. Okay, and thank you for your attention. We will now open the comments sections for any queries you may have. Definitely I will be answered through the comment sections. We will be asked without any assisted. And the conclusions. And the conclusion, education planning. Suppose we can create a educational universities or something. We can need a software related to educational planning. Now first, expertise provide input on best practices in educations. What are the best practices are in educations? First, those steps are to be followed. What are those steps is, first identify the skilled persons or expert and identify the requirements and implement it. Market research. In market research means expert provide opinions on market demand. Expert provide opinion on market demands, consumer preference and product development strategies. And in conclusion, Delphi approach offers a valuable framework for optimizing project management efficiency in software development By embracing the approach, organization can tap into the collective wisdom of experts, improve decision making, and enhance project outcomes. The key is to be follow the steps and best practices outlined in the presentations, while also being mindful of potential challenges. Embrace the Delphi approach and unlock the potential for success in your software development projects. These are all of them. We can see the Delphi approach, what is Delphi approach, and key features of Delphi approach and implementation of Delphi approach. And last thing we can see about how to implement the Delphi approach. What are the successful applications implementing using Delphi approach? Can see the conclusion. And thank you very much for being stay. Thank you very much.